Hi guys, this is 2015 Mazda CX-9. It's a TB 3.7 liter. So this car had a problem is engine oil leaking. It's underneath. You can see the underneath is a massive oil leaks everywhere. You can see the leak. So we first drain the oil. It's a 15 millimeter. So then we remove the oil filter. So we off the oil filter. So this is a 22 millimeter socket. Okay, we got the out for the sensor. So there's a leaking. Okay guys, here the new pressure switch. I'm going to install this one. So I applied a little bit elastic, the red one. Okay guys, we installed the pressure switch. Now we're going to put the plug back in. So we connected back in. Okay guys, we start the car. So car is running fine. You can check the underneath and oil leaks. So okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.